This project is about a group of musicians playing music together without a conductor. They use 7 different instruments from China and other countries. We want to find out how they can play in harmony, control the volume of each instrument, and cooperate smoothly. At the end of the project, we present a concert and teaching video to help others learn how to play better in an ensemble. And as an oboe player, I chose this topic because I often experience difficulties when playing in a mixed ensembles without conductor. And sometimes I was not sure if my sound was too loud or too soft, especially when playing with Chinese instruments that have very different tone colors. Nowadays, musicians often perform with people who have different musical backgrounds and instruments. However, there are not many easy to understand studies on how to rehearsal and perform well without a conductor, especially in mixed ensembles. So this project involved 7 different musical instruments and performers working together to complete it. And we used a simple rehearsal method called learning by practice. At the beginning, we did not set fixed rules. So instead, we rehearsal many times, reflected on what worked and what did not. Decided as a group and made adjustments. So all rehearsals were recorded using video and audio. Some challenges was not fully written in research paper. For example, communication was sometimes unclear at the beginning, and the rehearsals could feel efficient. To overcome this, we spent more time listening to each other, and this helped our group build trust and rehearsal more effectively. I want to say 3 tips for ensemble players. 1 tips. We found that volume should not be fixed. And when the erhu plays the main melody, louder instruments such as the yangqin or big drum should play more softly. They should support the melody instead of covering it. And tips to different instruments can share musical idea and playing methods. So the group first be agree on the musical idea, and then each musician experiences it using their own instrument. And tip 3, without the conductor, musicians communicate through breathing together, body movement, and small gestures. This can help many people and this group stick together. Many performance problems can only be discovered during rehearsals or by watching videos. Therefore, we created a teaching video to show the rehearsals process. It is helpful for music students and musicians who are new to ensemble playing. So in this project, I think I learned more patience and clear communication are just as important as musical skills. And through these experiences, I developed a deeper understanding of ensemble performance. It also shows that learning through practice is an effective way to study music.